Ladies and gentlemen, I have looked, I have watched, I have seen, I'm frustrated because this video is actually going to show you how to make money online. And some of you guys aren't going to like it. Some of you guys are not going to like it. You're not going to like it at all. So stay tuned. This is how I've made money online. Let's say since I was extremely young. Extremely young. Still works. Still works to this day, guys. To this day it works. But guess what? It takes skill and it takes time. Two things. Skill and time. And that's how you get paid. We're going to be watching videos about clicking apps all the time. Your finger's going to fall off, dude. And you're going to make like $60 in 2 days. You got to show value, people. Check it out. This is a website I found. Just a normal website. This guy loves his wife. And he also loves dentistry. These are facts. You know what else is a fact? His website is old. He's got 90,000 different pages. I found this website super easy. Just looked at different places around the area, and I clicked on a website. Clicked on multiple. I probably clicked on 10 of them. I clicked on probably 10 websites and found one that I said, hey, maybe I can make a change to. I made a change. I wanted to change it a little bit. Make it a little bit better for him. So what I did is I went over here to my hosting provider, Bluehost. Leave a description in the bio below. I do have a link that allows you to get this stuff for like half the price. So this is my cool little trick here. This is what I do. Well, you get Bluehost and you get the unlimited package here. So right here, $5.99 a month with my link, you get unlimited websites. Unlimited websites. $3.95 is one website. $5.95 a month. Unlimited websites. So for that price, I have this, which allows me to create as many websites as I want. Right here we have a domain that I bought for $10. This could be live.com, and I made a /Dogwood Dental, which is this website. It's going to look like this one. So here it is. Looks fresh and clean, way better. I provided this family or this dentistry value, and I'll propose it to them for money. How long did this take me to make? It probably took me a day. Probably took me a solid day to make this website. I could probably do it a little bit faster if I wanted to. I'm going to take this site and I'm going to email it to them because it's live over here. They'll check it out. They'll tell me about changes, and if they like it, they'll probably buy it for a couple $1,000, or I can get them on a monthly retainer for $100 a month, which is fine. And you do that every single day, then you don't have to do anything. Let's say you build one website a day for 5 days, Monday through Friday, in your free time, for companies that have, less quality websites. One of them is probably going to buy it. One of them will probably buy the site that you built. Let's say you sold that site for $100 in 1 month. 1 month retainer, $100 a month. Let's say $100 a month. You do Monday through Friday. You sell one website a week, and you've made 5. So that is 100 times 5 in 1 month. You're making $500 a month residual income. Residual income. That means it keeps on coming. You do that for 2 months straight, you get $1,000 a month residual income. You do that for another 2 months straight, you're making $2,000 a month literally doing nothing. You just 4 months. 4 months of actually doing some work after work. Instead of clicking on apps and doing this make money online stupid crap that they have on YouTube, then you're making actual residual income because you're giving somebody something that's valuable. So now you're a valuable asset. You built a website, you're hosting it for them, and you're just making money online like you're supposed to, like the good Lord intended. So really, if you want to get into detail about how to, build these sites, I do have a course coming up late February. It's still, mid-February. I'm still working on it. But there is a pre-release, and I'm going to put the link below. It's $10. The course is $10, guys. It's a $10 course. It shows you from the beginning to the end exactly how to do it. So this is what you'll get here. Feel free to pause, but I'm going to try and make this video a little bit faster. You can see, like, this is more than enough information about how to get started on selling websites. It's $10, and the only reason it's $10 is just to give you guys a micro commitment to actually go through these videos, because I know how it is when you try something new. You have some doubts and things like that. So give it a shot. At least subscribe to the channel, because we're going to be putting a lot more content out this year. Sign up for the pre-release below. If it's already out, then I'm going to put the link below too for the course. And again, the only way you're going to make money online is by providing value, and that's the truth, not by clicking apps.